Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a DIY hair mask inspired by Cardi B's hair mask. I used avocado, brown eggs, conditioner, and coconut oil. And she did have other oils that she used, but I just used what I had. And it still came out very good. So here, I'm just gonna blend it up in my NutriBullet. That's not a NutriBullet, I mean Ninja Bullet. I love this thing. I do everything with this. I blend everything up. But yeah, it looks so good. It's so smooth. I was like, dang, this looks like some yogurt or something. But yeah. And I'm just gonna detangle my hair, and I did put it in as dry because I wanted to like get my hair like to soak in all the nutrients.
Play this record as frequently as possible. Play this record as frequently as possible. Play this record as frequently as possible. Play this record as frequently as possible.
Okay, so far as I was coming through, it became very easy to come through as I put the hair mask in, and it made my hair really smooth and soft. And I really haven't found anything that can make my hair like feel really like silky like that. So yeah, this definitely is the mask I will be putting in my hair from now on. Okay, so I washed everything out, and this is the next morning. So I'm gonna take it down and try to style it. I was kind of in a rush. It didn't really turn out like I wanted it to, but my hair was very easy to manage. So yes, this is a mask you should try. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see y'all next time.